Hello friends, today is another day and we're going to cast off my 100 English savings challenge. This is one of the savings challenge that I'm doing in a different way and I can't wait to get it done and start a new one. I hope everybody is doing very well. It's very simple. I had a lot of people asking me when I'm going to start again. We are starting again end of this month. Then we're going to finish one more by the end of the year. Yes, I need these savings challenges. Yes, after this one, I'm planning to put towards my student loan, but I might not put all of them in student loan. I have to put some also in my investment that I just kick it off. Super excited. Let's go ahead, count the money, then stuff it. So we have 50, we have 20, that's 70, then we have, I think that's right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 110. So 110 plus 70 is 180. Then we have 1, 2. That's 200, 205. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 225. So that's how much we're going to put in the savings challenge. I hope everybody's doing very well. We are, how do I say, almost done with this challenge. And let me go ahead and open it up. It is not cutie. Look at it. Almost done. I have 2 slots. So today we're going to do 3 of these. Then next week we do 3, then we are done. Yes. This is super exciting. Okay, so today we're doing 7 plus 7 is 14. That's how we do it. We don't have 77, but we do have $14. 7 plus 8 is 15. So very simple so that it won't break your bank. And you can do it one at a time, anyhow you want to do it. You can, I do it like 2 or 3 of the, let me make sure I put it. Okay, I do 2 or 3 of these at a time every week, but you can do it like the way you want. 7 plus 9 is 16. Okay. Then 80, for 80, instead of 8 plus 0 is 8, I'm putting 80. Yes. So that's 80. Then 8 plus 1 is 9. Then 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 plus 3 is 11. 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. 8 plus 6 is 14. 8 plus 7 is 15. 8 plus 8 is 16. 'So that's all. So next week we're gonna do this 3-part, and this is how far we are. I can't wait to count it. I think I'm gonna count it on a Saturday or Sunday. Yes, super excited to be doing this. And like I said, I'm gonna put some in my investment. I'm trying to do a little investment for my kids as well. Just kick them started. We have a lot of stuff that is coming up that I have to take care of. So yeah, we are in a mission. So let me go ahead and mark these. Okay, so that's all for that one, and I'm super excited. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you are getting ready to kickstart the other one with me. So get your envelopes ready, get your 100 envelopes ready. If you don't have one, I do sell this in my shop. I will leave the link under this video, on the video anywhere. Go check it out. Very affordable. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.